Okay, this is the aftermath of over a year of not cleaning out the car. A family of 6. We got a bed here, blankets and pillows. We got a good pile of shoes and clothes, books. I even found an entire package of swim diapers, some clothes pods. No, we were not eating them. Some Christmas candy, some dishes that, like, I've literally been looking for these containers forever. And some Jackets toys. I also really didn't think there was that much trash in this car, but it's literally like a quarter of the way full.